Aloha, welcome to Kahalui on the beautiful island of Maui. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your continued comfort, but most especially your safety, please remain comfortably seated until the aircraft comes to a complete and final stop at the gate and the captain turns off those fastened seatbelt signs. Before leaving us, please check about your seat area, seat pockets, and the overhead compartments for any articles that you may have brought with you. But when opening the overhead storage bins, please use caution as your items may have shifted during the flight and may fall as the bins are open. And as always, please refrain from smoking until you're well within a dozen